A briefing to Comrade Blessed Runesu Bombshell Geza by Nyatsimbamutota. Comrade Chef, you have been missing in action. We are here to brief you of things that took place when you were quiet and observing. Zimbabweans are really anticipating for action, not talks, not revelations of sins that were done by Zigananda. Comrade Chef, you have already convinced all of us that Zigananda are like ticks in this economy, which must be taken away because they are sucking blood of the economy and sucking all the money for the economy into their tummies, mercilessly so. Comrade Bombshell, our plea to you is that let's have no time to waste this time. Every action has been taken. Comrade Nyatsimbamutota, who is speaking to you today, has taken applications to the police in order to make sure that your plan for a stay away and mass action is supported vehemently and strongly so. Comrade Commander of Zimbabwe, we love you so much. We have been missing you. All Mujibas and Chimbwidos, they want to be commensurately paid, as well as the comrades, combatants themselves, they are being paid. Civil servants, they are clamoring for good pay. Comrade Geza, and we have Mujibas and Chimbwidos, they want also to be paid like $1,000 per month. Thank you for the job that they were doing during the war. The comrades themselves, they want also their pensions to be uplifted up to $1,000 per month. Civil servants, they want $1,500 minimum. All these people have pledged their support behind you. All the masses of Zimbabwe, they support you. But comrade, having sourced all the monies that are placed before us to support the revolution, we are yet to brief you that Zimbabwean youths are ready to be given not expensive cars, but motorcycles, so that every community will be told about your movements and your policies, in order to make sure that even the oldest lady in Lotito, Mahenye, and other remote parts of Zimbabwe, they know about your policies. We assure you, Comrade Commander, that as we move forward now, if you support what we have done during the time we were not there, if you support it and tell the people that you are willing to support this cause and use part of the money through the committee, of course, that has been put in place to support the movement, which money could not be used in your absence. It could not be used without your nod to say it must be used like this, like this. The committee that is going to use the money is set up like this, like this, like this, using such criterion. Comrade Commander, Zimbabwe is yours now, it's in your hands. We want complete shift of goalposts. It's a high time that we must ban corruption in Zimbabwe. It's a high time that we must be able to accommodate even good members of the opposition, people who are supported by the uh, powers that be, powers that are influential by the Americas and the London authorities. Like Chamisa, Comrade Geza, we plead with you to state something in your statement today as you address the nation, to tell the nation that we shall work with Chamisa being in the leadership and holding the steering going forward until an election is done, which is going to select the leader who is unanimously selected by the people of Zimbabwe. So there are people in South Africa who have been working hard together with us in Zimbabwe, working hard in order to exonerate Comrade Nyatsimbamutota, who has been arrested by the Ziganandas, who are afraid that the moment we step in with this raging fire of the Third Republic, Comrade Commander, they will have no place to hide in. So, Comrade, we really expect you to address the nation on these issues, and also to address the nation on the removal of taxes that are exorbitant, taxes on the borders, taxes of corpses, taxes to do with smuggled goods, and unorthodox money is paid to authorities on border posts, and even some money is paid in corruption to many people in the civil service. Comrade Commander, these people who are engaged in corruption, it's not, especially if they are civil servants, it's not their fault. It's because the regime which is there now is subjecting them to untold hunger. Therefore, this is another survival tactic that these people are doing. Even those who are engaged in illegal mining, it's not their fault. It's because if they fail to do that, they will die. There is no industry in the country, no medication in hospitals. The roads are like full of potholes. Some potholes are deeper than a grave. All these are signs to indicate that the country is no manager. The manager is on holiday. He is not known as to whether he will be back soon. Comrade Geza, it's your time together with Chamisa and Comrade Chiwenga to take the reins with our support. If you tell us and command us, the three of you today, to fill the streets, we will do so without question. Comrade Commander, this is a short briefing of what we thought we should tell you. There are those in the army and those in the police who are related to the leader of the regime, those in the CIO and those in the prison services, uniformed forces and the Air Force. These people are set by the leader of the regime in order to eliminate those who are opposed to their shenanigans, their selfish moves. They want to make an empire. They want to make a kingdom, the Mnangagwa kingdom, which the people of Zimbabwe say no to. Comrade Geza, Comrade Chamisa, Comrade Chiwenga, the people of Zimbabwe say you must be united now and navigate the nation ahead without fear or favor. Put your differences aside. Work together to rebuild Zimbabwe. We love you, Comrade Geza. We love you, Comrade Chiwenga. We love you, Comrade Nyatsimbamutota. We love you, Comrade Chiwenga and Comrade Chamisa. We love you so much. The only little thing left for you to be in the steering seats is that we want to see the four of you united together with Nyatsimbamutota. You are going to make it without fail. The heavens have opened. They are smiling at all the moves that you are making. You might not know it, You might be few, but your army is supported by God himself. We thank you, comrade. This is the short briefing that we thought we must give you. This is Comrade Nyatsimbamutota speaking and addressing you.